Welcome. This is James Dewar, host of the James Dewar Show, heard on 9:30 a.m. The Answer here in beautiful San Antonio, Texas, and we're in the penthouse overlooking the San Antonio airport. And we have a special guest today with the South San Antonio Chamber of Commerce, a very valuable member of the chamber, and it's Farmers Insurance and Jaime, Elias and David Ramos. Welcome, guys.
Thank you, James. Thanks for having us.
Well, thank you for being here. It's important. It's important that that we always talk about personal finances, and we always want to make sure that people's. And we talked earlier about people's wealth being protected, and that's what insurance is all about.
Sure.
That's what always. You always. The people who are smart in life, they leverage their money.
That is correct.
They don't put all their money at risk. So insurance is leveraging.
That is correct.
You spend a little bit to save it, to make a lot or save a lot.
Yep.
So, but tell me about home insurance. That's always the hardest thing for me to get a handle on. Is what types of endorsements, or what do you need to have for adequate home insurance?
Sure, that's a very good question. So. We like at our agency, we like to educate our clients, first of all. Most people that give us a call or come into the office, when we start asking questions about, coverages, what they currently have, they're like, I don't know. So, I always like to get their, what is called the declaration pages from their current policy, because that tells me a lot of, what they currently have, because they may be underinsured, they may be overinsured, but the main question that that everybody asks is why you insure my home for $150,000 if Bexar County has it at $100,000? Well, I always like to tell them there's 5 different numbers that I like to use. One of them is appraised value. The Bexar County appraised value. That's always going to be the lowest one because you want to pay, of course, less taxes. Number 2 could be just a regular appraisal of your home. And number 3 could be purchase price or sales price. That's going to be different. Number 4 is loan amount. People tell me I just want to insure for the loan amount. And the one that we really want, actually the one that we use, that farmers uses, is reconstruction cost. Right. What is it going to take to rebuild my home in an event of a catastrophic?
So most people don't know that they're assuming that if they have a fire or a catastrophic event, that they're going to get their whole house rebuilt.
Yeah. Right.
But if you look at the policy, that may not be the case.
It may not be the case.
So just like us, with James Dewar, we look at all policies. I don't care, you got an insurance policy, you got an annuity. We're happy to look at it at no cost.
Sure.
To see if you're protected.
Yeah.
Would you do the same thing?
We do the same. I've actually told clients, you know what, stay where you're at. Really, I'm not just going to move anybody just to move them.
And what is the cost for you to sit down and go over policies and see if they're
nothing? It's just there's nothing. We like I said, at the end of the day, I want to make sure that the client leaves our office knowing what they got into and knowing that they came into my office and they learned something new, they got educated, and there's no. I'm not gonna twist your arm to buy from me.
And that's exactly what we try to get people to do. To take the time and spend just a little time visiting with their agent, visiting with their financial advisor. Just take that short 1 hour a year because things change.
Things change, correct.
Things change. You have life events. Your parents move in.
You might have added an extra room to your house. Instead of carpet, you maybe added tile, which is more expensive than carpet. Maybe you did remodel your kitchen. So that brings up the value of your home. So
exactly.
So we got to go in there and change the those values on the policy, which is going to probably bring up your reconstruction value. And,
so why wouldn't somebody come in? I
don't know, maybe time but one of the other things I do in my agency is I do house calls.
Oh, do you?
I can go to them.
Wow.
So that's, I think not a lot of agents do that, but I do it.
And David Ramos, do you do the same? Do you go to somebody's house and pay?
That's correct. I did that yesterday morning. I went to go visit a client for life insurance and was able to actually submit three applications for life insurance.
Oh,
so
great.
I did that house call.
And I appreciate you doing that because life insurance is so important. When people put that off, and I don't know if you heard my show about barbecue fundraisers, but they're not going to pay for your house. They're not going to pay for college. They're not going to pay for medical expenses.
They're not.
You got to have insurance.
That's correct.
So I appreciate you doing that. And so thank you, Jaime. Thank you, David, for being here today.
Thank you.
Thanks to South San Antonio Chamber of Commerce for introducing us. And we look forward to visiting with you in the future.
Great. Sounds good.
Thank you.
Oh, well, before we go, can we get your phone number?
Sure. Phone number again is our office number is 210-462-7250. My cell number is 210-707-6845. And David?
And my cell phone number is 210-413-5778.
Great. Thanks a lot.